General knowledge 25 questions and answers. 1. Which is the oldest airport in India? Juhu Aerodrome, Mumbai. 2. Which is the largest airport in India? Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. 3. Which is the oldest university in India? Nalanda University. 4. Which is the largest university in India? Indira Gandhi National Open University IGNOU. 5. Which is the oldest medical institute in India? Kolkata Medical College. 6. Which is the largest medical institute in India? AIIMS, Delhi. 7. Which is the oldest engineering college in India? University of Roorkee. 8. Which is the largest engineering college in India? IIT Kharagpur. 9. Which is the largest institute of technology in India? IIT Bombay. 10. Which is the largest science institute in India? Indian Institute of Science IISc Bengaluru. 11. Which is the oldest park in India? Lodhi Garden, Delhi. 12. Which is the largest park in India? Kabini Wildlife Sanctuary, Karnataka. 13. Which is the oldest national park in India? Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. 14. Which is the largest national park in India? Himis National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. 15. Which is the oldest animal park in India? Alipur Zoo, Kolkata. 16. Which is the largest animal park in India? Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Chennai. 17. Which is the oldest railway in India? Mumbai Thane Railway Line. 18. Which is the longest railway network in India? Indian Railways. 19. Which is the oldest bank in India? State Bank of India. 20. Which is the largest bank in India? State Bank of India. 21. Which is the oldest newspaper in India? Bengal Gazette. 22. Which is the largest newspaper in India? Dainik Bhaskar. 23. Which is the oldest radio station in India? All India Radio. 24. Which is the largest radio station in India? Vividh Bharati. 25. Which is the oldest television channel in India? Doordarshan.